Also, before this video starts, I tried to give the cheap lavalier mic one more run for its money, but yeah, it didn't do a good job, this one, as again. So yeah, hopefully it's not too bad to watch, but thank you for watching, and yeah, on with the video.
I hope you all are doing very well. As you can tell, I am doing very well because I am on the bloody KTM 690. He likes it too, man. Everybody loves a KTM, bro. Going for a quickie today on the 69 0. I'm gonna have a quickie today. I don't really have much time. Today we are just kind of breaking the engine in as well. Yes. Oh my god! Let's work on the tires a little bit more. And it's so light, dude. It's so great. My god, of course, just my luck. Brake test. Man, the brakes are so damn fine on this one, man. Have I already told you guys that I love this bike? Let's do a little, tiny little pull. Quick shifter. Oh! I'm not used to having a quick shifter. It's so bloody dope, man. I love it. It's so much fun. Like, it's so fun in general, this bike. By the way, I also ordered my own mirrors. Because look at that, man. Those are like friggin' sort of like bitches. They got so much weight. That's actually why I get that, okay? It's for safety, alright? Not for Bluetooth, for safety. Alright? Because those got so much wind. It's just a hazard waiting to happen. Oh my god. Traffic lights hate me, man. The traffic lights, dude. The traffic lights. Bitch! What's up, homie? Yo! Drinking his coffee in a freaking tractor. What a mad lad. The guy was looking at me. He was looking. How can you not look at this beautiful bike? At this beautiful, oh, sexy KTM 690 SMC R. It's just sex on two wheels. For me at least, man, I love it. Can we just get on the range? There we go. I just want to, this is not a bike that I'm planning on, you know, ripping a few kilometers on and then selling it for something else. No, this is going to be my long-term bike. Super very nice. Regular oil changes. You know, you gotta loop the bike up, man. You gotta loop her up to keep her happy. You know? Yeah, let's go back on this roundabout. Great. Thank you, Mr. DIL. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, it's dude. Also guys, if you want to hear me talk about is the 690 a good beginner's bike and stuff like that, let me know. Let me know if you want my thoughts about that. Okay, please. What are you doing, mate? Come on! Right, bro! If you guys always were like, you know, supermotos, I don't really like those kind of bikes, it might not be my cup of tea, they are not fast enough, I would say try them out, literally, give them a shot. Give them a shot, bro. Don't discriminate on looks. Don't write it off because you don't like the looks. I mean, obviously it's good to buy a bike that you know that you like the looks of, but yeah, it's like choosing a girlfriend, man. You can't always go off of the exterior, you know. It might be a good experience at first, but then she steals your credit card and you're you know, broke and in debt. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry that was a very short video and a very short ride, but I hope you guys enjoyed, man. I'm actually really enjoying making videos on this channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying them too. If you are enjoying, oh my god, if you are enjoying the videos, you know what to do. Smash like, click that subscribe button, and maybe share it with your friends if you think, well, you know, it's deserving of a share. I would really appreciate that. Yeah! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if I don't see you in the next one, whatever you're gonna do it with a smile and take care. Goodbye. Doei. Actually, doei. Niet meer in te knijpen, dus het is